Hi, with Valentine's Day coming up, I'm going to show you all my heart patterns. I will link all the links down below. Here is one of them here. It's just a great, easy, beginner heart pattern. There's another one, real simple and basic. And another real pretty, simple heart. They're all similar, but just a little bit different. And then some of them get a little bit more detailed and advanced. And here's 4 patterns down below here, and they're all different. And there's a bunch of patterns. I'll link that down below. You can tell me which one is your favorite. And then this one's a 3-dimensional heart. It comes with a nice video to show you how to make this one step by step. And here's a cute little heart that I put on top of a cup cozy. And I just did this one recently, which is the heart bobble. This is great for placing them all together and connecting them. You can make a blanket out of them if you'd like to. And this one is just recent. I just made this one. This one's great for beginners. Also, it's fun to do because you can use this scrubby yarn that I have. In the video that I just made, it's called the Sparkle Scrubby Yarn. You can find it on Amazon. I placed it right here. It's Red Heart Scrubby. And then here's another one. I just showed that one in the other video. And these are all the heart patterns that I have. Some have videos and some just have patterns. And I'll link those all down below if you'd like to try any of these heart patterns. Okay? So I hope everybody has a great Valentine's Day. And thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I also have a Facebook group and page down below if you'd like to join those.